ball, captain. It's just that few ordinary deliveries being bowled.
And there's another. Eve leg side,
Yes.
just be one.
What happened?
Yes,
This wicket camera is connected to the internet, allowing the umpire to see every detail and make accurate decisions. Viewers can also watch the game live through this camera.
We created a system using camera and tracking technology that gives instant, clear vision to umpires. This is how we build practical solutions that help everyone. As a software architect, I believe the biggest engineering challenges lie in building scalable systems that solve real-world problems. I am Zahid, the team lead of research and development at Nifty IT Solutions. Starting as a backend developer and growing into a technical leader, I have focused on solving complex technical challenges. The DNORS project for one of the biggest solar monitoring companies in the United States showcases what we do best. We took a legacy system and rebuilt into a modern microservices architecture with a specialized time series database that handles millions of IoT data points daily from hundreds of solar sites across the country. Our system delivers real-time solar energy generation data and prediction models with a smart automation that makes customer onboarding quick and simple. The key was thinking beyond the technical upgrade. We ensured seamless integration with existing CRM and accounting system to manage nationwide operations. We built a powerful asset management system that tracks solar equipment across the country in real time. Using advanced IoT technology, our clients can monitor and control their assets remotely, from inverters to sensors, all through a secure platform. Whether we are building web and mobile applications or processing IoT data streams, we focus on creating solid, scalable solutions. Recently, we worked on a live sports streaming project where we applied the same principles of a scalable architecture in a completely different context. What I love most is seeing developers grow into technical leaders and watching our solutions make a real difference in our clients' operations. At Nifty IT Solutions, we are not just implementing technological solutions, we are building bridges between technical possibilities and real business needs, creating innovations that make a difference.